So once again, good morning to all of you. Let us start with the discussion. We will start from the third part of the question answer round. So first question, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Raise your hand, those who are ready with the answers. Yes, very good. Hanji. So Narinder, let me start from you then. What is your answer?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vita.
The answer is Marjorie and Tommy used to have mechanical teachers, robotic teachers. The teachers used to teach at their home only, and they used to give them regular assignments and tests for their assessment. And
yes,
and they did not really enjoyed studying.
Okay, so in this answer, let me just take another answer from Himanshi Prabhakar. Yes, Himanshi beta. Good answer, Narinder. Your answer is absolutely right. We can add something more to it. Yes, Himanshi.
Margie and Tommy were taught by the mechanical teachers. Mechanical teachers were only sending their homework and tests. So Margie was very angry with she was not enjoying the studying while mechanical teachers were taughting her.
Okay, it's the same answer, but you were not audible clearly. Let me take another answer. Mankirat Kaur. Yes, but unmute and tell what you want to add to this.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. As they were learning in the future school, they were taught by a mechanical teacher in their home only.
Harjot, mute yourself. Harjot, mute yourself. Yes. Yes, Mankirat, now continue. There was some disturbance. Please repeat your answer again.
Yes, ma'am.
And speak loudly.
As Tommy and Margie were learning in the future school, they were taught by a mechanical teacher in their home. There, she used to learn in the room just sides of the bedroom, just the right side in the bedroom.
Yes. So a few more things. Suppose if this question is for just 2 marks, then this much is okay, that Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They appeared daily on their television screen at fixed time and gave their lessons. They gave the students, the children homework, checked their homework and judged their progress in the study. But if the same question you get for 3 marks or for 5 marks, then you need to elaborate. You have to tell more about the teachers, that how the mechanical teacher was dark, black, ugly screen. Okay? There was a slot for submitting the answers to it. So you need to elaborate a little, describing more about the mechanical teacher. I hope it is clear. Chaliye, let's move to the next question. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? But I want all of you to participate, so raise your hand. Yes, yes. Tanishka, yes. 9th red roll number 3. Tanishka, unmute and tell me the answer.
Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because Margie was not doing in his geography subject properly. The mechanical teacher gave her test after test, and she was doing worse and worse.
Yes. So you need to arrange the answer in a proper manner. Answer the value points are correct. Just there was some mistake. Ek to pronoun ka, we have to take care of the pronouns that we use, his or her, when we are talking about a girl. Remember to use her, right? She there. So that way. Your answer is correct, Tanishka. So the main value points are that the mechanical teacher had been giving Margie test after test in the subject geography, and Margie had been doing worse. She was performing poorly in the subject, and her mother was very upset with it. Right, so you have to write this part also, that the mother was worried because her daughter was quite good in studies. So she was performing bad in geography, so she became worried. And that's why she thought that there was some problem with the mechanical teacher, and she sent for the county inspector to check her mechanical teacher. So this is the sentence that you need to add. She wanted that the inspector should come and check the mechanical teacher, and for that reason she called the county inspector. Are we clear? Okay, now next question. What did he do? So he here is the county inspector. What did he do? Vansh Duggal.
Ma'am, the county inspector first checked the mechanical teacher and said that it was set one level up that of Margie. So he set the level of geography for Margie so that she could learn.
Okay, Vansh, answer is correct. A few things more can be added. Parneet, roll number 5 from blue section. Parneet, add more to this.
The county inspector checked the teacher and found that the geography sector of the teacher was geared a little too quick, so he slowed it up to an average 10-year level.
Okay, you are missing this part that when he came, he first dismantled the teacher. He took the mechanical teacher apart and then he checked every part of it. And what he found that the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was working at a fast speed. It was geared a little too quick. So he slowed it down to an average 10-year level student. Then he reassembled it and now it was ready to teach Margie. Okay, so this is the way that you need to write the answer. Next question. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? It is the same question, that is the mixture of question number 2 and 3. I hope the question is clear to you. That again you have to write why Margie was performing badly in geography and then what did the county inspector do to help Margie. I hope the answer is clear to all, so we can skip this one. Question number 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Who is there? Salil Manan. Salil, answer the question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Tommy's teacher, in Tommy's teacher, it was taken nearly a month because the history sector of the teacher was blanked out completely.
Yes. So once what happened that the history sector of Tommy's mechanical teacher had blanked out completely and the county inspector came and took the teacher away for nearly a month. 1 महीने के लिए उस टीचर को साथ ले गए थे to repair the teacher. Right? Next question. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Bhavika. Red say roll number 22. Bhavika, answer the question.
Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school because Margie's mother believed that little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours.
Okay, there you can add something more to the answer. Okay, your answer is correct, but we need to add something there. Shrey Thapar, roll number 39, please give the answer. Shrey, yes.
Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother, Mrs. Jones, thought that little girls learned best if they learned at regular hours.
And you will add the last point that you need for this answer is that the teacher was always on at the same time every day except on Saturdays and Sundays. So she had regular hours. Now we need to tell that how we come to know that she had regular hours. We can add one more thing here, that how Margie's school was in her house It was just next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was always on at the same time except on Saturday and Sundays. And why का आंसर फिर आप दोगे? That is absolutely correct, because Margie's mother believed that little girls learn better. ठीक है, वो जो line है, that you need to add there. Is it clear to all? G. Next question. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Ishita.
Yes, good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I am audible.
Yes, beta, yes.
Tommy described the old kind of schools which existed hundreds of years ago. It had a special building where all the kids from the neighborhood assembled together and studied together on the same topic according to their age groups. There were hundreds of students studying and playing and enjoying their classes. Also, they had a human teacher, a man, as their teacher instead of the regular teachers which Tommy and Margie had. The
Yes.
teacher gave them homework and asked them questions.
Yes, it's the perfect answer. So the first value point will be describing about the school, that it was a building where the children, they used to come, and it was hundreds and hundred years ago. And the teachers, they were taught by human teachers, and they did not have the regular teachers as Margie and Tommy had. The teachers, they used to give them homeworks, ask them questions, teach lessons, etc. Next question. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Aryan. Aryan Sharma.
He says
Hmm.
that in older there were teachers too. There were no regular teachers. They taught.
You're not audible, Vita. Your voice is cracking. You can write your answer in the chat box. Let me ask someone else. Kashika. Kashika.
He says that the old teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They gave homework to students and they were not mechanical teachers but living human beings.
Yes, correct answer, right? I hope this answer is clear to all. Simple answers these are. So this way you need to attempt, and you must keep this in mind, because as per the question paper pattern that you get, you will be having the answers for 20 to 30 words, or 30 to 40, or 100 to 120 words. So you have to write the answers according to the word limit mentioned. This we will be discussing quickly later on. So now let's move on to the fourth part of the question. Now these are the questions which are to be written in 100 to 120 words. Previously it was 100 to 150, but now the word limit is 100 to 120 words. Is this clear, students? Now, before I start with discussing these two questions, I want to tell you that how you need to write these long answers. Okay? Now, when you are attempting these long answers, you should be very clear with this fact that your answer should be in 3 distinct paragraphs. 3 distinct paragraphs. Now, the first one is the introductory lines that you add to the answer. First, we introduce, then we talk about the main part of the question, and then in the third paragraph, we give a conclusion to what we have written. Is it clear? Right. Now, see, what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Now, when you will start writing this question, this is a textual question, straight away asked about different facts from the text. Now, how you are going to introduce this? So you can start in different ways. First thing that you can do to introduce is that the mechanical teachers and the school rooms, taken up, are mentioned or discussed about in the story The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov, where the author, It discusses about the future schools or schools in future. This is the introduction to the answer. Right. Now you are going to describe about the main part of the question. Now see, now there are two different parts in the question. So again, to justify the answer, you will write in two different paragraphs. That means for this answer, your answer should have 4 different paragraphs. One is the introduction, then describing the two different parts of the question, and then giving a conclusion to it. Why I'm talking about two different parts? Because here one thing that is asked is about the main features of the mechanical teachers and then the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have. So two different things you need to write about. So that's why your answer should be in two different paragraphs. Is it clear? And then the last one, you will conclude the answer. I hope this is clear to all. So whenever you are attempting a long question answer, you must give first an introduction, then the textual answer, answering the question asked, and then the conclusion to your answer. So let's discuss first the textual part of the question. So we will first take the answer for the main features of mechanical teachers. Let me see who is going to answer now. Let me call some other students. Ahil Junaid Janjua. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. Please pardon me. Ahil Janjua. Yes, please unmute and tell the answer. Main features of mechanical teachers. Ahil, are you there? Ahil is not there. Okay, then let me move to some other students who's in the list here. I can't see the names as well. Anu from red section. Anu, are you there? Please unmute and tell the answer. Anu? No, no response. Anamika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
The answer was the main features of the mechanical teacher was that it was a round man with a red face and a whole box of tools and dials and wire.
Beta, you are describing the county inspector. County inspector को describe कर रहे हो आप. You have not read the question properly. You are to talk about the mechanical teacher.
The mechanical teacher was large and black and ugly with a big screen in which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. And most was the slots where the part that Margie hated about the mechanical machine was the slots where she had to put the test papers.
Okay, ठीक है. Let me take another answer from Ravnoor. I saw Ravnoor. Yes, Ravnoor, beta, unmute and answer the question.
If
you're not
regular
audible.
test and homework assignment. Mechanical teacher gave students regular assignments and homeworks, and the next day it will ask. It flashed a sentence that please put your assignments to an slot, and it will take no time to calculate the marks of the students and
okay. I want Vidya to sum up all the points. Vidya, sum it up for all the students. Quickly. Vidya, your mic is not working, I think. Yes, now it's working. You are not audible. आपने mic on किया है? Just check. You're not audible. Chaliye, let me just tell you about the main points. Listen carefully. Now see, we have to write about the main features of mechanical teachers, right? So first thing that you need to mention in brief is about that how Margie and Tommy, their school was in their home just next to their bedroom, and there was this mechanical teacher. It was a large black ugly screen which flashed on all the regular days of the learning days of the students. And this mechanical teacher, they taught individual student in their own house. Then there was a slot where the students, they were required to put their answers, give their tests. The mechanical teacher used to teach the lessons, give them homework and take tests. So main points are to be written, that how these mechanical teachers, they gave homework, checked their homework and judged their progress in their study. And they had the fixed time of studying there. So all the main features that you find in the chapter is to be added when you are attempting long questions. Okay? So all the points are to be added regarding the mechanical teacher. Then school rooms ke bare mein hai. What kind of school rooms that Margie and Tommy have? So let's take answer from Guneet. Yes, beta. School rooms of Margie and Tommy.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Tommy describes the old school as a special building where all the children went to study together. The students
Wait, beta. We are still discussing question number 1. अभी हमने सिर्फ features of mechanical teachers discuss किए थे. Now is the features of school rooms that Margie and Tommy have. तो Margie and Tommy के schools कैसे हैं? Okay, Manav, हाँ जी बेटा बताइए आंसर. You have raised hand. Manav.
Ma'am, Margie and Tommy have school in their house. Ma'am, they have taught individually in their own rooms.
Yes, and it was located just next to their bedroom.
Bedroom.
Yes. So they were supposed to enter this room at a fixed time to attend the teacher. So Tommy and Margie, they had this kind of school where the teacher always was on and they had to study at regular hours, and they just got holidays on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, so this way you need to talk about everything about the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy had. Now let us move to second question. Why did Margie hate school, and why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Again, there are two different parts. So we will take the first part, okay, first and discuss that. So why did Margie hate school? Who is going to answer? Khushi, roll number 39. Yes, beta, answer the question.
Yes. Ma'am, Margie thought that their schools are boring, as she felt that the work is nothing and it is regularly all the time, and she also felt that the old schools are so interesting. You can meet your friends and you are taught by a human teacher.
Okay. Anything else that we can add to this answer? Who's going to answer the question now? Who's in the list? चलिए नरिंदर से मैं लेती हूँ. Narinder, yes beta, tell the answer.
Margie used to hate school because of her mechanical teacher. Her mechanical teacher used to give her assignments after assignments, and she used to have regular assignments for geography, and her level of assessment was a bit high, and she like her performance was gradually decreasing, and because of the mechanical teacher, mostly she hated the school.
And you remember, if you remember, there was mentioned that it was the slot that she hated the most. Whenever she used to submit the homework, immediately the mechanical teacher would calculate and give the result, right? So when you're attempting a long question, remember to give an introduction. And when you will start the main textual part of the answer. So in the long question, you must mention this one element also, that how Margie's school was located in her own house, just next to her bedroom, and she was the only student in her house of that school. Margie, she did not like her school because she did not find any fun in that learning, because she was learning alone. And thus, the mechanical teacher, it flashed on her television screen, delivered the lecture, which was quite boring for her. She would sit alone for fixed hours. And then she was performing poorly in the subject geography. The mechanical teacher had been giving test after test in the subject, and she had been doing worse in that. And this next thing you will write, she also hated her school because of the slot that was there in the mechanical teacher. She used to submit her homework through that slot, submit the test, and the mechanical teacher would calculate the marks in no time and give the result. And thus she had started to dislike her school, her mechanical teacher. Is it clear to all of you, beta, कि आपको इस आंसर में क्या-क्या लिखना है? So when you are attempting a long question answer, each and everything regarding that particular point of question, you need to include there. You cannot miss out any single piece of information, right? Now there is a second part. Why did she think the old kind of schools must have been fun? Siddhima, बहुत देर के बाद सिद्धिमा ने hand raise किया है. Yes, beta, answer the question.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Margie thought that the old kind of schools must have been fun because all the kids from the whole neighbor came together laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another in the homework.
Yes, and moreover, she was fascinated on knowing the fact that how they came together to the school and they played together there. They used to help each other in the homework, and then they left the school playing together, going back together. All these things fascinated her, and that is why she thought that the old kind of schools must have been fun. मार्जी को ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि ये जो स्कूल्स है, पुराने स्कूल्स थे, ये फन होते हैं? तो वो सारे एलिमेंट्स आपने इस आंसर में इंक्लूड करने हैं. I hope the questions are clear to you all. If anyone has a doubt, पहले अभी जिन्होंने भी hand raise किए हैं, please lower your hands. Yes. Now students, tell me, is there any other doubt that you have? You can ask me. अगर आपको कोई doubts हैं, आप पूछ सकते हो. No doubts? Okay, then let's quickly move on to the next part. Now, if you remember, beta, I had asked you to mark the words beginning with ly. Hope you have marked all the words. Can anybody unmute and tell me what were the words with ly that you have found from the chapter?
Ma'am?
Yes.
They were crinkly.
Very good.
Awfully.
Very good.
Sorrowfully.
Very good.
Completely.
Okay.
Loftily.
It is given here. Yes, absolutely right. All these words are there. Now,
Ma'am, may I tell more?
Yes, yes, beta.
Ugly, actually, carefully, and then is nonchalantly, and
Okay,
many
now beta,
more.
ugly is not a, yes, it is ending with an ly. But the thing that we are going to discuss will make you clear कि ugly जो है वो adjective है. So you see these words, they are ending with an ly. ये adverb हो जाते हैं. तो एक adverb का जो concept है, you all have read in the previous classes, the grammar. Adverb क्या करता है? It is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Right? एक adverb क्या करता है? It modifies the meaning of a verb. It also modifies an adjective. Let me just quickly give you a recap of adverbs, then we will do the fill in the blanks which is in the book. सबसे पहले जैसे adverb जो है, it modifies the verb. जैसे she sang sweetly. Now what the word sweetly describing? the manner of singing of the person. That how did she sing the song? Sweetly. Then adverb can also modify an adjective. She sang a very sweet song. Now song कैसा है? Sweet है. और adjective को describe क्या कर रहा है? Very. बहुत अच्छा गाना गाया. So that means this is an adverb. Very is an adverb which is describing or modifying an adjective. Then an adverb can also modify a pronoun preposition. ठीक है? And जैसे almost everybody in the office believed her story. So here almost is the adverb here. Everybody is the pronoun. Now we have also read that how adverbs, there are different kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of time, place, position, manner, right? So these are all adverbs here which actually modifies a verb. So यहाँ पर देखिए जो words हैं awfully, sorrowfully, completely, loftily, all these words are actually describing the verb in the sentence. जैसे ये देखिए, they had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So किसको describe कर रहा है completely? That the history sector had blanked out. Blanked out कैसे? Completely. So this way we are going to fill in the blanks which are given here. First is, tell me what will be the correct word here. The report must be read dash so that the performance can be improved. What is the word there?
Carefully.
Very good.
Careful.
Carefully. Second one.
Loftily.
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 An interview. Yes, an interview. At the interview, Samir answered our question loftily, shrugging his shoulders. Then we all behave differently when we are tired. हम अलग-अलग तरीके से behave करते हैं. The teacher shook her head dash when Ravi lied to her.
Sorrowfully.
Sorrowfully. Correct. I dash forgot about it. मैं तो पूरी तरह से भूल गया. Completely. I completely forgot about it. When I complimented Revati on her success, she just smiled, dash, and turned away. Nonchalantly means in a careless manner. She did not even care to thank. She just smiled nonchalantly and turned away. The president of the company is dash busy, awfully. Yes, terribly busy. I finished my work dash so that I could go out to play. Quickly. So see, these are the few adverbs which are used in the sentence. और ये adverbs क्या कर रहे हैं? They are actually modifying the verb. तो देखिए carefully किसको modify कर रहा है? Read को. Loftily answered. Differently behaved को. Sorrowfully shook को. I completely forgot. Then nonchalantly smiled को कर रहा है. Quickly. So these are all modifying a verb or an adjective or a pronoun. Right, students? Now, with this, we come to the end of the chapter.